Grug. Me explained scary thing called taxes. Taxes like invisible saber-toothed tiger. You no see it, but it take bite out of your mammoth meat every moon. Long ago, tribe live free. You hunt mammoth, you keep mammoth. You find shiny rock, you keep shiny rock. Then big brain chief say, we need share meat for all tribe. Sound nice, until chief take big piece for self. Chief say, meat go for common good, fix cave roof, feed old caveman, make big rock road so we walk faster. But somehow chief always get new fur coat and bigger fire pit. Suspicious. In modern tribe, taxes like this. You work all day, carry heavy log, make shiny coin. Tribe leader say, give us part of shiny coin, so tribe survive. But you no get to choose. If you no give coin, chief send spearmen to your cave. Taxes come in many flavors. Income tax. Chief take coin every time you trade your time for work. Sales tax. You buy new spear. Chief take coin again. Property tax. You own cave. Every year, chief knock on door. Pay coin to keep cave you already own. Random surprise tax. Chief invent new reason to take coin. Oh, you breathe air. That cost extra. Problem. Sometimes tribe leaders spend coin smart. Fix bridge. Teach cave children. Make healers strong. But other times, coin vanish like mammoth in fog. Poof. Some say, no taxes, but then no one fix cave roof or keep rival tribe out. Others say, more taxes, but then chief get very fat. Balance tricky. Lesson from Grug. Taxes like sharing mammoth meat, good when fair, bad when greedy. Ask where coin go, watch how coin spent, and maybe hide one small shiny coin under mammoth hide. Shh, but one thing not taxed. Press little red, subscribe rock. It free, it make Grug happy. If you no press, Grug sad. Grug cry into mammoth fur all winter. You no want see big caveman cry, right? Press now.